This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS course. I'm doing course 3, and I'm on the lesson The Maze. Okay, this is slightly different. Can you do this in just 6 blocks? Alright, so this looks like stairs again. If we're only going to use 6 blocks, and we've already used 1, right? 1 out of 6, then I know I'm not going to have many left to use. I'm going to have 5 left. Let me just start. It helps me before using a loop or a repeat block to pull out some of the code. Turn right. Nope. Turn left, I think, and move forward. And you can always test out code. Let's see, step. Oh, and I already messed something up. I need to turn right at the top. Let's see. Alright, so that's successful so far. Now what would I want to do? Well, I would want to turn left. And then I'm going to move forward. And then, let's see here. Right. Forward, left, forward, left. Oops. That's better. And then I would want to reset. Then I want to turn left and move forward. Let's see. Yep, so that gets me to there on the stairs. And that makes sense, because these are very similar, right? It's 1 step, 2 steps. And so I could keep going. I'm going to need to turn right again, and then move forward. Oops. And turn left. Now watch what happens here. Picked it at the wrong spot. Now, if I separate my code out here, it's all the same. Right, 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 forward, forward, forward. And that's because it's steps. If I connect it all together again, it's going to have the same code to get through the stairs. So instead of writing it out like this, instead of doing it 3 times, I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm just going to say, hey, computer, keep doing that until we get to this, until I get to the sunflower. So what the computer will do is check each time. All right. Not at the sunflower, let's go right, let's go forward, let's go left, let's go forward. Hey computer, are you at the sunflower? Nope. Okay, well then I'm going to go right, forward, left, forward. Hey computer, sunflower? Nope. Okay, right, forward, left, forward. Hey computer, sunflower? Nope. Right, forward, left, forward. And it repeats the code until we're at the sunflower. Still not at a sunflower? Okay, well the computer now is going to go right, forward, left, and forward. Oh, we did it. Awesome. Let's keep going.